My name is Elizabeth, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a yarn pom-pom. To make a yarn pom-pom, you'll need yarn, of course, scissors, and a pom-pom maker. The one I'm showing is a Clover pom-pom maker. Open up your yarn pom-pom maker. First, you're going to start wrapping your pom-pom. Make sure to leave a little bit of a tail. And you're going to wrap and wrap and wrap. If you think you're done wrapping, wrap some more. This will add more volume to your pom-pom. Take your working yarn and put it in between the two plastic pieces and start to close it. And now your yarn will be ready to work on the second side. Now that you have both sides wrapped, you're going to push in the second side. And now you can snip your working yarn. Now take your scissors and start cutting in between the plastic on the pom-pom maker. Repeat on the other side. Now that you have both sides cut, you're going to take a piece of yarn and wrap it in the center plastic part. Make sure to pull tight. Now you're going to make a very tight knot. And repeat on the second side so you make it super secure. Now cut your working yarn. Undo your pom-pom maker. And now you can trim to make it even. Leave your tied yarn attached so you can sew into your project, and boom, now you have a pom-pom. Well, that's how you make a yarn pom-pom. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to push that like button and subscribe. See you next time.